Worksheet 9.3, we're calculating the axis of symmetry and the vertex. So remember, to do this, we'll find the x value of the vertex, which is the opposite of b, divided by 2a. So here, b is 12. So we'll do a negative 12. The opposite of that is negative 12 times 2 times a, which is 2. So we get negative 12 over 4, which is negative 3. So we know the x value of the vertex is negative 3. We also know our axis of symmetry is at x equals negative 3. So then we just go and make a table and put negative 3 in for our input and substitute in negative 3 everywhere we see x in that equation. Make sure you put parentheses around this. If you don't, you will get a wrong value. And so we should get I'm getting 1 on that for my y. And you can double check that. Either by going to decimals, so you'll notice that the graphs are actually on the back, but I gotta see work, no credit. Negative 3, 1 is the bottom of that upward facing parabola. Hey, I know that number 3 might trip some people up. We need the opposite of b divided by 2a. So a is 1, b is negative 2. So the opposite of b is going to be positive 2 divided by 2 times 1. So our x value here is going to be 1. Our axis of symmetry is x equals 1. And then just plug in 1 for x and see what you get for y. Looks like, according to the graph, it should be 3, but make sure you get that 2. Same with number 5 here. So it's the opposite of b over 2a for the vertex of x. So b is a negative 16. So the opposite of that's a positive 16 divided by 2 times negative 2. So now we have a positive on top, but a negative 4 on the bottom. So that's a negative 4 for our x value of the vertex, and x equals negative 4 for our line of symmetry. Then just plug that in using parentheses around the negative 4 as you substitute it back into the original equation to calculate your y value of the vertex. And whatever that is goes there to make a complete coordinate pair for the vertex. If you don't see the graphs on the back, remember you can always use Desmos and graph these puppies out and look for the vertex.